nagkakaroon ngayon ng massive drive to stop online gambling. And ang focus dyan ay yung mga online gambling which are not sanctioned by the PAGCOR. Although PAGCOR is fully supporting yung drive against yan from illegal online gambling. And as of now, mahihirapan talagang i-prove ang pag-violate ng illegal gambling under PD 1602 as amended. And yun nga, yung dating decision ng Supreme Court yan, ang taong akusado sa illegal gambling ay kailangan i-prove ng arresting officers yung specific details kung paano sila nagsusugal illegally. So, in this case, yung naglalaro ng Cara Cruz na wala namang nakuhang pera doon sa mga standby somewhere in Metro Manila at kinasuhan ng illegal gambling, inakwit yan ng korte dahil naglalaro nga sila ng Cara Cruz pero wala namang proof na merong betting. Sabi ng korte, hindi naman illegal gambling yan, laro lang yan. So again, even in online gambling, kailangan may prove mo na may nagtaya at merong nag-transmit ng pera through the envelope na sinasabi nila or GCash or Paymaya, etc.